guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you can sign up for free, fill out a profile, and if you're chosen, you get a box of goodies. All they ask is that you review them on their website. And I'll put all their social media below because they do give out boxes on their social media as well. So let's take a look. First thing we have is a natural mouthwash. Fresh, strong, and alcohol-free. It's vegan. And this is a huge size. That's awesome. Very cool. Made in Australia. Also have some nutritional yeast. This is good if you're vegan. There's a little card on the back of there. They have all sorts of different products, salad dressing, SuperFoods straws, lip balms, crackers, from Foods Alive. Also have some crunchy chickpeas, sea salt flavoring, whole bean, 4 grams of protein per serving, and gluten-free and kosher. These I've had before. These are pretty good. This is the Parmesan Whisps. These are just little cheese crisps. Gluten-free, 100% cheese. Next up, FeelGood Superfood Immune Support Shot. Fruits and veggies, vitamin A, C, D, B6, and B12. Made with organic fruits and vegetables. Oh wow, yeah, that's packed with stuff. Take 1 shot a day to support your immune system. Also have Energy and Focus Neuro Gum. Infused with B vitamins, and there's 9 pieces in there. It's cinnamon flavored as well. Oh, there we go. That's what that looks like. We have another thing of nutritional yeast. Looks to be the exact same one. And I think a bar of soap. South of France Natural Body Care Shea Butter. French milled bar soap with organic shea butter. It smells good too, I could smell it. Awesome. And I think this is the last product by Zolli. These are PB cups. Milk chocolate style peanut butter cups. We've tried different snacks from this company before. They're 0 sugar. And they've all been pretty good so far. Definitely excited to try these. At the bottom, they typically give you some little cards and promo codes. So we have one for the immune shot and the candy. You can see they have tons of different varieties of candy and a promo code up there. So that is what I got in my box today. If you guys would like to sign up and try to win a box, please check out the description box below. I have all the information there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.